Best affiliate program for beginners to make money. Here's the truth. Most beginners fail at affiliate marketing not because they don't try hard enough, but because they choose the wrong program. Imagine putting in hours of work only to realize the commission is tiny, or worse, the product doesn't even sell. If you're just starting out, picking the right affiliate program can make or break your journey. So today, let's break down the best affiliate programs for beginners that actually help you make money. Point 1. What makes a beginner-friendly program? The first thing to know is that not all affiliate programs are created equal. A beginner-friendly program is simple to join, easy to use, and provides products people already want. Look for programs with low barriers to entry, good support, and marketing tools you can use right away. If it feels complicated or overwhelming, it's probably not a good fit when you're just starting out. Point 2. Amazon Associates, the easy starter. Amazon Associates is often where people dip their toes into affiliate marketing. Why? Because Amazon sells just about everything. You don't have to sell. People already trust Amazon. The downside? Commissions are smaller. But as a beginner, it's a great way to learn the ropes, test what works, and build confidence. Point 3. Digital products, high commissions, less hassle. Now, if you want to make higher commissions, digital products are a game changer. Platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or JVZoo let you promote courses, software, or memberships with commissions often between 40 to 70%. That means even a single sale can put a nice chunk of change in your pocket. And because delivery is digital, there's no shipping, no inventory, just instant access. Point 4. Recurring income programs. One of the smartest moves is joining affiliate programs with recurring commissions. Think of software tools like web hosting, email marketing platforms, or funnel builders. Instead of getting paid once, you earn month after month as long as the customer stays subscribed. This is how you start building predictable long-term income. Point 5. Choosing what's right for you. At the end of the day, the best program depends on you. Ask yourself, do I want to learn the basics with Amazon? Do I want higher payouts with digital products? Or do I want recurring income that stacks up over time? The key is to pick one and focus, rather than jumping around between programs. So here's the bottom line. Don't just chase the biggest commission. Choose a program that matches your skill level and your audience. Amazon is a great place to start. Digital products give you higher payouts, and recurring income programs build financial stability. Start simple, focus on learning, and then level up as you go. If you want more strategies, resources, and step-by-step guidance on building a freedom-based online business, head over to andrewplimmer.com. That's where you'll find everything you need to take your next step.
Thanks for watching.